Oh yeah, is this on you?
Hey.
Oh well, get over it.
The people of the city is scurrying.
Same you at the bottom of the bottle, laying down on the bathroom floor. And that was Standing on the Corner Crying by, I forgot who the fuck it was by. I think it was Sarah Ross.
Helen picked up her groceries.
Look it back.
What you're going to do is save hundreds of living ritual clusters.
No, Cassidy Pope, excuse me.
That's great, but can you ask your friend to stop digging into the grave?
I can ask.
Oh,
He's not going.
gotta do this one, y'all. Yes. I gotta turn my volume down so I make sure I'm hearing myself. See the plastic bags right around the shoes. Couple with the evening news. Here, simple soul socks on his hand. Don't ever do that this loud. Then flash, stop. Dude, that's fucking annoying. Seriously, you're doing that on purpose.
Okay.
Okay, well, that's annoying. That's hurting my ear, please. So stop.
Never worry.
So I found out this morning that we got
Fucking timeout. That shit fucking hurt. God damn.
some spicy traps.
You quit for it's just hard.
Can you not do that no more?
Yes?
Cause you do realize you doing that shit hurts and affects people's ears, right?
Well, fuck from the
No, you literally almost busted my eardrum doing that shit.
sorry.
Oh my god, man. I'm not gonna get over that tonight now. Oh my god, that fucking hurts so bad.
Telling you because I think you trying to do all the good and right things.
Oh my fudge. Jesus. Lord. Oh. Alright, continue. Screw it. Whatever. Back it up. We're just gonna continue.
random audits. It's absolutely selective enforcement.
He flashed the badge right round the shoes. It was covered with the evening news. And roll stars on the sand. Flash and five below. And the reason why I did that is because for the pure simple fact she kept clapping in my fucking ear. That shit hurts.
What did you say?
Because they were saying, why am I being rude? Because you kept clapping your fucking hands hell out of my ear and that shit fucking almost pulled my eardrum out. That's why I wasn't trying to be rude, but I was just letting you know, but you wouldn't. Like, I can only say so many times till I get really upset. And I didn't mean to yell at you, I just, fuck. That shit hurts. I ain't going to nobody. Stop saying this shit. Fuck, you know. And I know somebody probably fucking recorded that shit too. You know, screw yourself on that. Fucking ear still hurts from that shit, man. My ear's sensitive.
There's a little black car. And then they drove out right through the front gate.
His blessed bags right round the shoes. If you hit him with the evening news and let him roll socks on his hands. His things flying flash and five below. It was freezing rain, the face snow. It was rolled up behind the garbage can. I was afraid that he was dead. I gave him a gentle shake. When he opened up his eyes, I said, oh man, are you okay? And he said, I just climbed out of a cottonwood tree. I was running from some honeybee. Drip drying in the summer breeze. After jumping in the Calico Creek, I was walking down an old dirt road past a field of hay that had just been mowed. Man, I wish you just let me alone, 'cause I was almost home. They said I would just come around the barn about the time to grab grandma arm. After her mama holler, son, hurry up. There's less enough for my own nose. Smell fresh cobbler on the stove. Now hold Martin loading up the truck. Their toes on tailgate, summer's blowing in the wind. July 55, just as close as I've been. Come on, y'all. Since I'm down of a cottonwood tree, I was running from some honeybees, drip drying in the summer breeze. After jumping in the Calico Creek.